I got my Homelink installed when I got my new rear bumper, but we're going to show you guys how to actually get your garage doors working with the Homelink. So David has the remote right there.
This is the one remote we have that works. We have others, but for some reason we can't get them reprogrammed. If you know how to program the Lift Master remotes, we've tried doing the reset. We've tried taking the batteries. Everything. Can't get the other two remotes to work. So
whatever.
Luckily this one still works.
Yeah, so that's why I've been using this monstrosity.
Exactly.
But on here, what you're gonna do is you can now see we have the Homelink button right there. It's a little house. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on that, and then it's gonna say create Homelink. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna do garage 1, which is my bay, which is right there. Then we have 2 and 3. So what we're gonna do is do this, and then we'll go create Homelink, and it kind of tells you what to do. So David's gonna go out with that and put it right in front of the car. So he's gonna leave the door open though, or window down at least, so we can talk. So it says, have your garage door remote ready. You may want to use new batteries. Park in front of your garage. Be sure to leave enough room for it to open. Start. So now it says record signal for remote. So David's gonna be right there with the remote and hit the button. And this is gonna say searching for signal. And you can see it actually opened that. Recording complete. Tap continue. And luckily with our garage, we do not have to do that. So we can just simply hit continue. And then training it'll take a few minutes, and it'll actually close that door once it's ready. So we're gonna test it. And there it goes. Hot damn. So we're gonna do that with the next 2 and get them all done. We're gonna hit save. And the cool thing is you can do like auto fold mirrors if you're in a really tight garage, or you can auto open when arriving. That's what I do. And you have this really nice distance, and you can reset the location and everything, and I do auto close. I like to do the chime though, so I know that it's actually gonna do it. So we're good here. So we're gonna go ahead and add another one. We're gonna garage 2, create Homelink, start. Okay, signal. And there it's opening. Tap continue, continue, continue. And then we're gonna test it as soon as it's done opening all the way. And there it is. So we're gonna save it. Yep, first try. And our last one is going to be garage 3. So we're gonna create that. We're gonna start it. Searching for signal. Okay. Continue, continue, continue. So as soon as it's done opening, which you can kind of see behind David, we're gonna test it. And it is working.
Oh, that's Model S.
Yeah, there's a nice little Model S in there.
So recently Tesla added in the app the option under controls to open up your garage door. And if you have multiple garage doors, you might need to program which one you want it to open when you're using that summon option. So to do that, it's not under Homelink, it's actually under Autopilot. So you go into Autopilot, you click Customize Summon, and you'll see this Use Automatic or Use Auto Homelink. You don't have to turn it on and leave it on, but you need to at least turn it on initially. There you can choose which garage. So if it was going to be my garage, I would choose that. You can either leave it on or turn it back off, but in the app, you can still use the Homelink button to now open garage 3.
But it will default to whatever you put in first. That was the issue we had found. So just make sure you take care of that. Now, I don't use that feature, but if you do, make sure you have that program.
So again, we're talking about in the app, and you see Homelink, and this one is linked. I say yes, and now it will send the signal. So it says remotely trigger Homelink. So it is trying. Oh, you see it? It did signal in the car, and there it worked.
But yeah, I mean, I guess that's kind of it for this one. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. I'll definitely cruise down there and it can help you guys out with anything if you have any questions with Homelink. As always though, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, much like this one, definitely check them out. All linked down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off your first order. My two must-have accessories are definitely going to be a center console wrap, because I'm not a huge fan of that gloss black material that Tesla has. It's very scratch prone, very fingerprint prone, as well as a matte screen protector. It really helps cut down any kind of glare from the sun as well as fingerprints. They do also offer an HD version for those of you that don't want a matte protector. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.